You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Word pronunciation. How to pronounce the name of this city in Missouri. If you want to learn more confusing pronunciations, make sure to stay tuned. I've got more US cities that are confusing that you should learn from. Festus. The Latin pronunciation would be Festus, but in English, in Missouri, it's pronounced Festus. This is the name of a Roman governor, Festus. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.